Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. So today we want to talk about Electroneum, and it now accepts, or rather, Splinterlands accepts Electroneum as a payment. And one thing that's going to be important in cryptocurrency, as we've discussed many times, is the utility of the cryptocurrency itself. People are spending it, people are using it, merchants and vendors are accepting it, right? And so Electroneum is more so meant to be this currency that people are going to actually use for economic prosperity, to move their value from place to place. Something quite a bit different from the idea of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is being basically in the category of store value, right? So Bitcoin may go the direction that gold has went, right? A lot of people don't hold gold, but we understand the importance of gold. But what actually has the direct impact on many of us, or it gets used in our lives daily, are the currencies we spend. And Electroneum, being this cryptocurrency that is going to solve many of the issues that standard economies, fiat currencies can't solve. Um, so what is Splinterlands? Okay, Splinterlands is this popular blockchain trading card platform, right? So that's something that's become quite popular. These trading card games, right? These Magic the Gathering like games. I'm not much of a gamer myself. That's not really my thing, but I do try to understand the elements of gaming in the cryptocurrency community. And one thing that's happened a lot, or one area where, and let's just get you over to Splinterland so you can kind of get a look at what we're talking about here. Yeah, so it's basically this trading card games like many of them you've seen. And what's interesting about these trading card games is, especially with the advent of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, you have this variety of this data that's these NFTs that can represent a variety of different things. For instance, like in this trading card game, right? You can have these different trading cards over the blockchain that you own that represent various things, right? These different levels of cars, as it were. And so this is a significant use to non-fungible tokens in the realm of the gaming community. I think also what's very interesting to talk about with something like the Splinterlands game and its acceptance of Electroneum, right? As it's expanding into these various, these blockchains are being able to participate with their cryptocurrency, is that Splinterlands runs on the Hive blockchain. And so oftentimes we've discovered many of these type games on Ethereum or something like that. A lot of problems, of course, with Ethereum has been the inefficiency of Ethereum, the fees, the doing a lot of things that Ethereum does is problematic, and I think that something like the Splinterlands trading card game, what you get with that is you get a great deal, more ease of use in that area, right? You don't have the high gas fees, you don't have the a lot of the problems in association with the congestion of the Ethereum network. And so on the Hive chain, it's a lot more smooth sailing. And I think that something like Splinterlands, accepting Electroneum, can get a lot of that community interested in trying this game out. And when they try it out, they're gonna really see the differences between what happens on the Hive blockchain and what happens in comparison to what you get with Ethereum. So I think that's going to be all very interesting to see that unfold. Now, how you earn with the Splinterlands game is they have their game currency called the Dark Energy Crystal, or the DC token. So the Dark Energy Crystal is the currency, the trading token of the Splinterlands game, right? It was formerly known as Steam Monsters. Um, but originally, how this token traded, if my understanding serves me correct, was that the exchange that exists that trades the Dark Energy Crystal was kind of first started just to facilitate the trading of this game token, and then it became connected from the Steam blockchain, later the Hive blockchain. It then became accepting of other projects and cryptocurrencies, and what they call the SCOT tokens, which is kind of the Steam or Hive blockchain version of ERC20 tokens, right? So now you have this exchange with a variety of these, and this isn't the exchange. This is just the Explorer. For some reason, my full screen recording browser doesn't capture the exchange site well, but so we're over here looking at the Explorer. But there are many. I believe there are probably 900 to 1,000 various cryptocurrencies trading on the High Vision Exchange. What's also very interesting is a lot of people who watch the channel who are fans of Electroneum. They probably know about our project, Bitcoin MYK, a universal basic income project. If you're a gamer and you're interested in coming to Splinterlands, not only will you be able to trade the dark energy crystals as part of the Splinterlands game on the Hive Engine Exchange, we are also trading on the Hive Engine Exchange. So make sure that you come over and say hello to us. We'll make sure you get some free cryptocurrency. So now we're all in the same ecosystem, so to speak. But obviously, this is a good thing for Electroneum, in which they're going to again, it's more vendor acceptance, right? And it's kind of feels like it kind of come full circle in a way. You know, I wasn't around at the very early dawn of Electroneum, but the idea that gaming was going to be a lot, it was going to have a lot to do with gaming. And although they found a better use for it, which is this global currency that can really be a use case and help people in financial crisis lands or unbanked lands, it is now implementing itself into gaming systems and still being able to take advantage of that with that use of that cryptocurrency, right? Okay. And last but not least, before we get out of here, I want to talk about our project Bitcoin MYK. Much like where Electroneum is accepted at the in the Splinterlands game that now trades on, or that trades on the Hive Engine Exchange. We are also in that same ecosystem. Our cryptocurrency trades on the Hive Engine Exchange, right? Right, with dark energy crystals, right? And so make sure that you check out our project, join it. You can get our cryptocurrency free, checking it out. And I think you got to be very excited about what the Bitcoin MYK project is doing. Right now, we're in the process of, we want to roll out the best and biggest referral program in cryptocurrency. We want this to be every time you turn on or open up a cryptocurrency website or what have you, we want you to see links about Bitcoin MYK. And so we want to introduce one of the best referral programs out there that's going to reward the people who are marketing for Bitcoin MYK and create an opportunity for them in a way that we haven't seen in cryptocurrency yet. And I think that's going to be a very cool. Referral programs are a great way to build a network, and we think it's going to offer a great opportunity for people to get involved in cryptocurrency, earn cryptocurrency, right? Um, the other thing is the other great project that's going on Bitcoin MYK is Bitcoin MYK backed dollars, which really doesn't separate itself from the Bitcoin MYK network. It's pretty much the same thing, as we'll do videos in the future about how Bitcoin MYK backed dollars are actually redeemable for the Bitcoin MYK token. Um, and so it's kind of interesting how it works. We think it's going to be a dream for traders. It's going to move relative to a token that's stable in price, because it's going to be backed by the Bitcoin MYK token. But at the same time, as the network grows, the inflation rate of the Bitcoin MYK backed dollar will go up, giving traders a good return, right? Hopefully so. If the theory works like we think it will, and we believe it will. And if that doesn't happen, they're always able to redeem at the dollar value. There are Bitcoin MYK backed dollars for a Bitcoin MYK token. So we're going to do videos in the future about that, but we can tell you you're going to find some very exciting projects and things that the Bitcoin MYK network is doing. Electroneum is always doing an excellent job. We think Electroneum is going to keep marching forward and establishing this great project that's going to be actually useful to people. And that's the key. And if you're a trading card game person, check out Splinterlands. Splinterlands, popular trading card game running on a blockchain that I think, as far as applications, are being overlooked. And in comparison to Ethereum, I can tell you there is no comparison. The Hive blockchain is a lot greater as far as efficiency than Ethereum, at least at this point in time. So check all that out. Let me know what you think. As always, if you like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe. And until next time, take care.